Today, we're looking at the 10 best tech mockups for Photoshop in 2021. These beautifully designed templates will help you create professional-looking device mockups to demonstrate and bring to life your ideas with ease. All items featured today are available on Envato Elements, an unlimited subscription-based service that helps you bring your ideas to life. With full access to millions of digital creative assets, resources, and services, simply download whatever you want as many times as you want and use your favorite items to enhance your creative projects. Find the perfect plan for you or your business by clicking the link in the description below. Number 10. Black Laptop Mockup by Motion Media Group. At number 10 today, this sleek black template is all about demonstrating and advertising websites, services, and their user interface. With 23 Photoshop file options and clean modern design, this kind of template is perfect to offset your designs and beautifully hero your content. Number 9. MacBook Mockups by Zippy Pixels. Our next template is perfect for mobile iOS application and web design presentations, with laptop, tablet, and phone options to suit your needs. With Smart Object templates and 6 of the most popular Apple devices to play with, you can easily customize these templates with a single click. Number 8. iPad and iPhone Mockup by RetroBox. At number 8 today, we have a super flexible mockup template pack that allows you to change every detail to fit your requirements. Perfect for developing early-stage projects, you can easily place your own design, text, and logos and change the color palettes and gradients to suit your needs. Number 7. iPhone X Mockup by Amrit Paul Design. Keeping it simple with one mockup can sometimes be the best way to go. This sleek iPhone X mockup comes with smart objects that are easy to customize and is perfect for text-focused, bold, and impactful ideas. Number 6. iPad Pro Mockups by It's Chroma. At number 6 today, we have a mockup template that is designed for developers and UI designers. With perspective mockups, landscape and portrait templates, and editable interactive hands, this template allows you to focus on showcasing details whilst giving you a chance to preview functionality and easily envisage your ideas. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more. Number 5. iPhone 12 by Caleb Studio. Next up, we have a mockup template that stylishly presents the iPhone 12 in a variety of ways. Ideal for brands to comprehensively demonstrate how a design will work, these 5 Photoshop files produce stunning high-resolution results. Number 4. Phone Mockup by Dot Clean. At number 4, we have a pack of 4 super customizable, sleek, and minimalistic iPhone mockups. These templates let you alter how light and shadows will sit, whilst also choosing between silver, space gray, and gold phone options, giving you full creative control. Number 3. Stylish iPad Mockup by 10. At number 3, we have a dynamic template that will add an energetic pop of color to your designs. With 3 easily customizable iPad layouts to choose from, this mockup's high energy would suit similarly bold and bright concepts. Number 2. iPhone 12 Mockup by Skradek. Next up, we have a Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro mockup that will help you to set your concept art apart from the rest. Ideal for championing high-end design and high-quality photography, this file makes editing a breeze. Number 1. iPhone Mockup by It's Chroma. At number 1 today, we have an iPhone 11 mockup template that lets you add a human element to your concept demonstrations. With a mix of light and dark versions, landscape and portrait, and interactive and passive hand positions, this one is perfect for developers and UI designers wanting to bring the real-life use of their concepts to life. That wraps up the roundup of the 10 best tech mockups for Photoshop in 2021. Did any of those items stand out to you? Let us know your favorite in the comments below, and open the video description for links to all of the items shown here today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more helpful roundups, and check out the next video selected just for you.